Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another day of the video diary. How's it going today? Today we got up fine this morning. We had ourselves some breakfast, which was toast instead of cereal, because I was using the end of my old loaf. So it's exciting, I know, but it's different for me to have toast. Very rarely have toast in the week these days. What else? Got ready. Got ready, got my bag and stuff. I've got my key card to get in today, so that's good. I got my umbrella because it's going to rain later, even though it looks delicious so far today. What I have been doing is I've been compiling all of your questions for the survey into a Google document that I can edit on the go, and I'm going to be writing my answers and ordering the questions. I'm going to be basically planning the video on this bus journey now. I'm not going to be able to finish it in this bus journey, but I'm going to be doing quite a lot of it. I'm trying to organise an order for the questions, plan things if I want to do more than just answer it, stuff like that. So making sure that I have the plans set up basically, so it's all good in the hood. The sooner I can plan it, the more interesting I can make the video, and the longer it gives me to edit it to make it better. I will probably make it visible, well, upload it, make it visible, upload it in September, the first week of September, or the second week. I haven't decided yet. Kind of makes sense to go the second week, just so that videos don't appear too far apart and stuff, because I'm obviously going on holiday in September, and I won't be able to make videos during that time. But how long ago was it that the survey video went out, so it's finding the right balance. After that video, I'm going to do a starting university advice video, one for which I don't need questions for, unless you guys have anything that's burning you particularly. But I thought about it something like halfway through June last year, well, this year, a long time ago. Yeah, halfway through June I thought of it, and I thought, well, it's not really relevant now. Like, the advice I want to give, it's too fucking late for that advice. So this year you're all fucked. Next year you'll all be fine, because I'll give it you in September instead. But yeah, so I've got a bit of advice to give there, because I'm just a machine for advice. Otherwise, like I say, today is going to be one hell of a productive day, as per usual. Yesterday was also very, very, very busy, but not particularly productive. Just a lot of things that took a lot of time, which is the issue with Mondays, because I obviously have shopping, I had the dentist, which took time, stuff like that. So today I'm going to be planning this video on the bus. I have a to-do list to tick off, quite a lot of things on my to-do list to tick off. I've got to clean and stuff like that. It's just lots and lots of fun stuff. Also, I've had a good idea. I think I've got the idea that I'm going to nail down for Blitz software after I've done all my web stuff. I know, tell me about it when I get around to doing my web stuff. Just too busy. But I have an app idea. So I have an app idea that I can run in tandem with the Project Stockholm, which I'm still doing. I'm producing documentation for it. There's just not much you'll see of this documentation. But like I say, the website's come first. Otherwise, what's going on? Today we're going to work, as per usual. And today we have a fun day ahead of us. I have the joy of passing through some variables into this JavaScript graph and displaying this data, extra information on top of said graph. So that should be fun. I figured out how to do it. It's just tweaking fucking JavaScript. I hate JavaScript. Just the amount of tweaks you have to make to it, and it doesn't give you any feedback as to why it's not working. You just have to guess, basically. That's one of the big things I don't like about design work, specifically like web development design and website design and stuff like that, is that you get no real feedback for filling in all of the, like, you do a web page, you look at it and you go, why doesn't that look right? You just kind of got to guess and tweak, and it's just so much tweaking of the same stuff. We're all very, very bored. There's my 76. God damn you. Cool, blimey, what a day. And it isn't even over yet. We've just heading home now, and I've got a good couple of things to tick off my list, on my to-do list tonight. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. But how was work? Work was pretty good, to be honest with you. I also told you, didn't I? Did I not? This morning, I said that it would rain. Hey, on the way home, and it bloody is. So yeah, work. How was that then, eh? It was pretty good. I spent my day. I found a bug in some code that I wrote yesterday. Under the weird situation when, like, all of our products are selling equal numbers, it would fuck up all the axes and stuff of the graph, and it would just chew it all up because it was expecting unique axis labels. So because it wasn't getting those labels through, it's like uniquely, it would mash them into one and then ruin the scale and stuff, which was bobbing everything up. It was shooting me in the leg, and I had to fix that. So I fixed that. That then threw a couple of other errors because the fix I made wasn't good enough. And then I fixed that again, and then I was helping Lewis sort out some work in the pie charts and stuff that we've got. He's been working on them for ages, bless him, and he's bored of looking at them now. But I was helping him get them dynamic, I was helping him get them to have like the right colours and stuff, just like trying to explain and like talking through like a way you can do the data representation and stuff like that. And we started swarming it towards the end when I had time to, where we both sit around one computer and we team program, co-program, something like that, the same thing together. So that was fun. Otherwise though, I added a couple, fixed another bug where the information we were putting through into the tables was in the wrong order, so it looked like one product was doing better than the others and it wasn't. Fixed that, and I did something else as well, which was adding more information into the main bar chart. That enables you to see like average income per sale and stuff like that. So that's in the bar chart now. We've had feedback from the CEO of the company, and he says it's excellent. So we've read the email. He says excellent work. Can't believe the students have done it, which is pretty good. Obviously I can't take the credit for that. We will be working on this for one more week after this, and to be honest with you, it's finished now. All it needs doing is to put it on a server, but I believe there's a couple more features that they might want adding on, so we'll have to do that. I'm not sure how many of those features they actually really want, or basically because we'll just be burdens if we joined the big project this week. We'll be joining it instead next week, when we will have more when we can have more of an input basically, but we'll be there for all the plannings and sessions and stuff like that. So yeah, it's good, we're doing good. And I got my bus, by the way, as well, but someone I work with is on the bus, and I walked obviously up to the office with him, so I didn't vlog. They don't know about you, they don't need to know about you, that way I can talk about them, and that's better for everyone, right? So yeah, otherwise on the bus I've been answering questions. There's a lot of questions, I have a lot of things to say about it, so I'll answer them in a blog post as well, where I can go into more detail. Obviously in the video, I've left myself a couple of notes of things I can put in that would be funny and stuff. In the video I'm into time restraints. Like one of the questions is a video on its own. I could legitimately make an entire video about that, and I probably will. And it'll probably be the one I make after this one, to be honest with you. No, after the one that I was talking about this morning. Was I talking about that this morning? I've got 2 university videos queued up after the Q&A. So it might actually help to put the Q&A up early, just so that I might be able to film one of the other ones before I go on holiday. Because obviously university is encroaching and it's important to people. So yeah, I have 2 university videos queued up after this, and one of the questions that you asked me in the Q&A is a video on its own. And I've been answering that on the way home, basically building up a basic blog post and basic script, like a blog post that I can use as a script. It's got like little notes in for me and stuff like that for when I'm filming. Whew, that's what I've been doing today, and that blog post is long. I need to sync it up with my computer so I can see how many words are in it and stuff. I assume, well, depending on when I get this live, I'll probably film it this weekend, get it live next weekend, So I might do another blog post for this weekend. I'm really sorry about my blogs. They've been very factual recently. They've had like the survey responses, then my Q&A responses. There's none of them have been like me creatively saying stuff, like making stupid analogies with things. I really miss doing those. I really like doing those as well, and I think you guys like me when I do those as well. So I apologise, the blog is basically just to go hand in hand with the main channel. But what can you do, eh? What can you do? It's useful, I think, having the blog to go side by side with the main channel. It means I can make the main channel video shorter and just give you more information in like the blog and the video description and stuff. But otherwise, I'm home now. My train tickets have arrived when I go up to see Lovely. They will stay firmly in here until I come back from Nottingham and holiday. Tonight we've got a lot of things planned. I've got to cook dinner, which is, well, warmed up shepherd's pie from when I froze it ages ago, and it's a bit of a bitch because I can't microwave it. I've got to do a clothes wash and a towel wash. Basically I need to do a clothes wash, and I've got towels and things. Next weekend I'll have to do like the other towel and stuff. It's always a pain when Lovely I really love it when Lovely comes, but it's a pain after because I've got to like sort out washing, I wear more clothes, and it messes everything up, and yeah. So I'm not complaining. I've got to do that, I've got to do a bit of cleaning, which I didn't get time to do yesterday. I've got lots to do basically. When don't I have lots to do, boys and girls? When don't I? Now it may look like I'm in my pyjamas and just fucking chilling out. Well no, I'm doing a wash. And doing a wash means that you can put your pyjamas on early and wash the clothes you're currently wearing. So that's good. I managed to put my towel in and stuff. So now I'm using the towel that Lovely was using. God damn it. And it just complicates things because like you can't fit obviously like 2 sets of towels into washing machines and stuff, and it's really complicated. Right then, cooking dinner. I've got timers off on the hizzle on here. 2,000 words are on that Word document. And meanwhile, while this is running, how much time is left? 4 minutes remaining on this one. What I'm going to do is, that's when I've got to put my chips in. I'm going to put my chips in once that timer goes off, and then I'm going to sit and fill in the end of those university forms that I was supposed to fill in last week before Lovely got here. And then theoretically that'll be done by the time I get around to having my dinner, which means I can then do some cleaning and stuff. So much to do. Right then, so I've just had dinner. Dad rung, which took up so much time, so much of my time, it's unreal. I'm briefly playing a quick game of Hearthstone. Bless him, that guy can talk, but he's actually doing me a huge ass favour. So it unleashes me a little bit more in order to get Lovely something really, really nice for her birthday, which is awesome. I've done my washing, which is all there. I've cleaned up, cleaned everything. I've been cleaning all over the place. And I've finished off my polo forms for university because I, my friend, am good. You know what I mean? I'm a good student, me. And yeah, that's it basically. It's 9:30 now, and I've already ticked off everything that I needed to do, so I'm doing pretty good for myself. I'm going to go and make my sandwiches and play Hearthstone while I do it, and then I'm going to sort out this video. In fact, I might as well end this video now. Nothing's going to happen in the next half hour, is it? Let's be honest. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to end the video here. Today has been a good fun day. We've got lots of stuff done, and yeah. What are you chatting about? Been very, very busy. We've got lots of stuff ticked off of our to-do list, and that makes me happy inside, it does. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow we should have time to do some web dev, about goddamn time. So for then, I will catch you later.